Good evening and welcome back to where nothing has happened. Now, you know what today is. It's Saturday. There's work, followed by laundry, followed by keeping up with the stats and keeping up with my TV and get my puzzle books done. So, what happened? Well, actually, I put another line through the... Even though Edmonton and Hamilton's not done yet. Edmonton's actually beating Hamilton. Right now, pretty good, too. They're going into the fourth. Saskatchewan lost to Montreal last night. That's 2 for 2 in the pick'ems this week. Yeah, I've been sucking the last few weeks. Apparently, I forgot to do week 7. Oops. Yeah, Brett Lauther missed four field goals, which include the one that would have tied it to send it in overtime. So that's 12 points missed off his foot. Good job. Yeah, he had one of those nights. Think about it. Montreal won 27-24. 12 points. Even if he got the first 3, that's 9 points. I would have given them 33-27. So, anyways, I'm holding a piece of paper that has the results from Game 2 of the 1979 preliminary, in which Philadelphia beat Vancouver to tie that series of that best of 3 series at 1. I did say best of series. This will be the last time we see this best of 3 preliminary. Next up, Rangers beat LA. New York Rangers wins that series 2-0, as does Toronto over Atlanta, also sweeping Atlanta 2 straight. That's a bit of an upset considering Atlanta finished ahead of Toronto in the standings. And Buffalo beat Pittsburgh to even that series at 1, and that's been a road series. So far, Philly and Vancouver also has been a road series. Vancouver wins in Philly, then Philly wins in Vancouver. Pittsburgh wins in Buffalo, and Buffalo wins in Pittsburgh. Yeah. Game 3s are on Monday. There's only going to be 2 of them, so I'm going to be erasing those ones. Series winners when I'm done. Yesterday's Double Jeopardy clue was George Washington for 1200. Yesterday's Double Jeopardy answer was, before he was president, George presided over this months-long meeting in the summer of 1787. Question, what is the Constitutional Convention? What is the Constitutional Convention? I have no idea. Didn't he become president in 1783? I don't know. Anyways, we're finishing off the Double Jeopardy round with George Washington for 2000. Answer, a 1791 proclamation by President George ordered the first Let's try this again. A 1791 proclamation by President George ordered the first of the District of Columbia. A young George would have done it himself. And tomorrow's final Jeopardy category is tough vocabulary. Trying reading this clue is a bit of a mouthful. And there is that. Some couple celebrity deaths yesterday, one of which I remember is the Greg Kihn. Remember the Greg Kihn band? I lost on Jeopardy, babe. Yeah, that tune. Yeah, that was him. 75. I didn't think he was that old. There was another song I remember. Can't remember the title of it. Short memory. Yeah, that's what happens when you turn 50. So yeah, so what else is going on? Got a bit of rain today. It didn't really rain overly hard, just light enough where you could just partially get wet. I don't know, I know word partially. It's humid out there now. Yeah, I'm sweating a little bit. Yeah, that's what's going on. That's what I was going to slurp some water, but I'm looking at my date here that says August 17th, and I got for me the amount of days left to Paris 2024. Now I got the amount of days, line blank. Got the amount done and the city gone. Now I got 0 days to nothing. 2020 nothing. Eventually, after the Paris Paralympics are done, that's when I start the countdown to Italy. Year and a half away. So yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, we're slowly counting down, so that's going to be a bit of a slate nap there. I might be going to bed early tonight, which is okay. Happy to be going to bed earlier and earlier last few nights, which is good. And apparently there's a full moon Monday. Last couple nights you've seen the moonrise happening. It's got a little bit of an orange tinge to it because I guess there's still some smoke in the air. So yeah. I've got nothing else left, so therefore in the meantime and in between time, stay tuned for the next one.